getting my real reaction here. Like, this is, we hit 10,000, you guys. Oh my God, that's crazy. I am blown away, you guys. Like, I was just in traffic right now, as you can see, I'm just in traffic, and I refreshed the YouTube thing and 10,000. All right, I'm getting this one. So the reason I'm doing this is because I got a slice of cake for 1,000, and there's one dude in the comments, I think it was LMAO, I think it was, he was like shaking my head. That's only 1/64 of a cake, and I jokingly said I would buy a full cake at 10,000. What should I do for 100,000? I gotta do something for 100. What do you think?
At least like a cheesecake.
Yeah, dude. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do cheesecake for 100,000
there we
subscribers.
Go. Yes.
And if this cake isn't good enough, you guys, let me know in the comments, and that way I can challenge you guys for 100,000 subscribers. We'll make this even better. So thank you guys again. I don't really know what to say, except my mind is blown away. This is to 20,000. I don't have any cake. I'm saving the cheesecake for maybe like 50,000 or 100,000. But what I do have for you guys is champagne that we are gonna try to pop here. Fuck do you do this? I really don't know what I'm doing here. But anyway, to 20,000. Fuck. Shit. A big thank you. This champagne is for all 20,000 of you. Thank you again for all of your support, for watching, for seriously everything. All these balloons are for you guys. So right now we're at 99,983. And while we patiently wait for 100,000, I figured it would be a fun idea to do an Instagram Q&A. So let's open up the Instagram and see what people have to ask. So let's see. So the first question is from Bellman. Has YouTube brought you any deals yet? And the answer to that right now is no. I have not closed any deals specifically from YouTube, but I think this year in 2018, it's going to be impossible that I wouldn't close a deal from YouTube. Just the people that I've met so far that have reached out to me from YouTube has been incredible. I'm going to guess, total guess conservatively this year in 2018 from YouTube, I don't see any reason why that wouldn't contribute to an extra $6 to $8 million more of business in terms of gross sales commissions as a real estate agent from YouTube directly. I would say that's a pretty conservative number. And if I added up the potential business that's already reached out to me, I would estimate that it's probably in the $10 to $15 million range in terms of the clients. So, you know, not yet, but I know I will at some point. So the next question is from Jacob, and his question is, what drew you to buying a Lotus? Did you drive one before you bought it? And are there any other cars you're considering when you bought your Lotus? And the answer is, what drew me to buying a Lotus was that was the car that got me into cars. I was working at that marine aquarium wholesaler, and the owner of one of the companies within that structure, within that like building, had a 2005 Starlight Black Lotus Elise, and I saw that, and I was just like, that is the car from Batman. I was just like obsessed with that car. Now before then, I didn't care about cars at all, didn't give a shit, and when I saw that car, I was just like, this is the coolest thing ever. And he gave me a ride in that car, and once I got a ride in that car, I'm like, I have to get this car. And it was because of that, it had like a big sentimental value for me, for like, that was the car that really got me interested in cars. That was my first thing that I really wanted to work towards. And that's why I really ended up like loving Lotus. So that was why I ended up getting a Lotus, because it was like, it was a very sentimental thing to like actually realize something of what I wanted when I was like 15 years old. So that was why. At the time, I mean, I was really set on a Lotus. You know, besides that, I was interested in maybe like a 96 or 97 Viper, or maybe an Acura NSX, but they didn't have the appeal to me as a Lotus did. So the next question is from Jackson Smith, who asks, how did becoming a millionaire change your personal life as far as friends, family, etc.? And the answer is, it did not change anything at all. My friends, I've had my same group of friends pretty much since I was like 8 or 9 years old. So I don't think there's anything I could do or not do that would ever change that friendship. I mean, these are lifelong friends that I will always have, that nothing I could do, besides maybe like, you know, murder or like something terrible like that, would ever change their viewpoints on, you know, our friendship and stuff like that. As far as family, I really don't notice any difference whatsoever. I don't change anything really based off how much money I have. It makes very little impact on me. So the next question is from Jason, who asks, what were your hobbies before you got into real estate? This is a great question. I had 2 hobbies. My first one was reef aquariums. I absolutely love reef aquariums. Now, for the 0.1% of people that are also into reef aquariums, I had a 150-gallon saltwater tank with like acroporas and montiporas, and I had like all these clams. I had like the Maxima clams and the Crocea clams. Reef tanks for me were one of these things where like I loved it. Besides that, it's music, and for me it's always been drumming. Like I really enjoy playing the drums. Something I have not done in probably a few years that I should be picking up. So between those two, I would say those are my two like biggest hobbies outside of real estate and cars that I gotta get back into them. So I like this one from Blash Media. What is your favorite Subway sandwich? And it's chicken and bacon ranch. And when you splurge the extra little like $1.50 or whatever it is for avocado, best sandwich ever. So the next question is from Noah that I think a lot of the guys are gonna relate to. I wanna start doing pickup so I can get some girls to hang out with when I'm not doing real estate. How did you handle picking up girls when you're busy / only focusing on yourself? I want to spend time with women, but I will in no way hinder my real estate activities with it. What's your take on this? Well, Noah, that is a great question. So first of all, I definitely think there's a balance between the two when it comes to dating and doing work and stuff like that. And even for me, I still have not found the right balance between the two. Now, first off, I just want to say that in no way does like money or cars or anything like that has anything to do with attracting women. In fact, with the Lotus and all the stuff that I have going on, it's more likely to attract a 12-year-old boy than it is a like 25-year-old woman, unfortunately. Just the way it works. But generally speaking, I think what works best is when you are focused on something that you're really into, that people could see you're passionate about it and that you're into it and you're excited about it. That just is an attractive quality to have as a guy. So I think it's less about going out there and trying to like pick up girls than it is about pursuing your own passions and going on your own purpose in life. And I think that in itself generally attracts the people that are going to be into that and that are going to be into you as well. Okay, so we're at 99,999 right now. So close. Let's just get it to 100K. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like I'm watching like a sports game right now. I'm like, come on. We're so close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, there we go. Yes. That's my real reaction here. You got my real reaction. Hold on. Wow. Okay. So you know what? Something's missing here though. Something is missing. You know what I think it is? You know the thing on YouTube where they just kind of clap and things appear? Let's try that really quick. Let's try that. Let's see. Oh. There we go, but wait a second. This isn't a cheesecake. I said months ago that I was gonna do a cheesecake for 100K. Let's see if we can do the cheesecake too. Now, one more time, third time's a charm. And, oh, there we go. We got a cheesecake too, but you know what? Something still isn't right. You know what? It needs something else. Let's do this once more. There we go. 100,000 subscribers. This is absolutely insane, you guys. Thank you so much for all of this. I really feel like this was much more than just me. I feel like this is definitely a group effort here that I'm just so beyond blown away at the sense of community that I think we've created on YouTube and just like how involved everyone has been. And just to see the progress that everyone has made and to see, like, I'm honestly, I think I'm at a bit of a loss for words here. But like, I just want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this and for watching my videos and for enjoying them. And I'm so happy, it's even helpful. And when I had started this, I had no idea that I would even get like 1,000 subscribers, which when I started doing YouTube, that for me was just like a huge deal to even get 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I would ever get 100,000. Never in a million years. So I really, oh crap. These candles are just trying to tell me like, Graham, you gotta stop talking. Oh, and now someone just unsubscribed. Now, oh wait, no, they subscribed again. Now, okay. Good to go again. I'm just happy people enjoy watching the videos and find them helpful and find them useful, and that means the world to me. So let's get right to the giveaway here. I get hit up all the time for coaching and mentoring, and unfortunately I don't have the time to dedicate to everyone that asks me for help. But I'm willing to make one exception. You have to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, of course, add me on Instagram, and then comment down below with why you deserve and why you want the personal coaching. Here's the deal with this. This is for life. I will give you my phone number and you have my information. And this is meant to be ongoing. It's not meant to be like a one-time thing where it's like an hour phone call or whatever. This is, we'll be friends, we'll be buds for life. So that's what I'm willing to do. I did it once when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm still in contact with Gil, and he's become a good friend of mine, and we talk every now and then, and I'm there with whatever he needs. And so I'm willing to do that one more time at 100,000. So again, make sure you're subscribed, add me on Instagram, and then comment down below, and I will pick one person within the next week to give personal coaching to for life. We got some smoke here. So anyway, I'll end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. For everybody who's watched, who's commented, who's been a part of this channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I mean, this has just been absolutely amazing, and I feel like it's like this is for you guys just as much as it is for me, and it means the world to me. And I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna have a bit of a bite of a cheesecake here, and yeah, you guys, we gotta figure out what to do for 1 million. Maybe we do like a cake or something for 1 million. But share your ideas down below. Let me know your thoughts, and until next time. Oh, it's good.